Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to demystify credit scores and walk through actionable steps to repair a bad credit score. Please take a moment to like and share this video, and please remember to subscribe to our channel. A credit score is a three-digit number, typically between 300 and 850, that represents a person's creditworthiness. It's a numerical summary of an individual's credit history, used by lenders to assess the risk of lending money. A higher credit score generally indicates a lower risk to lenders, potentially leading to better loan terms and interest rates. A higher credit score opens doors, from better loan rates to housing options. Poor scores limit your opportunities. These are the ranges lenders use. Even a small improvement can save you thousands over time due to lower interest rates. On the low end, a poor score of less than 580 will make it very difficult to get credit, while on the high end, a score of 800 and above will make it much easier to obtain credit and will usually offer you the best terms and interest rates. Payment history and credit utilization have the most weight in determining your credit score. Focus your efforts on these two areas for the biggest impact on improving your score. Missed payments, overextended credit lines, and accounts in collection often cause bad credit. But with time and focus, these issues can be fixed. We will now look at the steps that you can take to improve your credit score, including checking your credit report, disputing any inaccuracies, paying bills on time, and reducing debt. Start by knowing where you stand. Review your reports from all three bureaus. You're entitled to one free report per year from each. Mistakes happen. Dispute any incorrect information. It's one of the fastest ways to improve your score. Consistency is key. Set reminders or automate payments to avoid missing due dates. Reducing balances improves your score and saves interest. Aim for total credit card utilization below 30%. Pay down high-interest credit cards first. Keeping old accounts helps your credit history length. Negotiate with creditors if you have accounts in collections. You may be able to remove or update them. A pay-for-delete agreement is a negotiation where a debt collector agrees to remove a negative item from a consumer's credit report in exchange for the consumer paying the debt either in full or a portion of it. Essentially, it's a deal where the debt collector removes the negative mark on the consumer's credit history in return for payment. Frequent credit applications raise red flags and can drop your score. Apply only when necessary. Secured cards are low risk for lenders and help you rebuild credit with responsible use. A secured credit card is a type of credit card that requires a security deposit, which acts as collateral for the lender. This deposit typically equals the credit limit, meaning a $200 deposit will result in a $200 credit limit. Be patient. Meaningful improvements take time, but consistent effort pays off. Credit repair is a marathon, not a sprint. With consistency and smart strategies, your score will improve. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope that you found it informative. Please take a moment to like and share this video and to subscribe to our channel.